Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can set time on this Hala 1160 digital watch. See, this I purchased on the Flipkart like 1 month back. And for the unboxing video, you can check in the description for the price details and everything. And if you want to review video of this particular watch, please do ask in the comments. And this is looking pretty nice when we put it on our hand. So first of all, let me tell you how you can change the time or set the correct time. Okay, so this is the light and this is the mode. So when you want to change the mode, first you need to click on this particular button. Okay, now see here, this timer is blinking, right? Yeah, see here, it is blinking right now. This means you can now adjust the time. So the first important thing is press this button until you'll find this timer blinking. Okay, now you can adjust like sorry, this try the reset button, the fourth button, to shift between hours to minutes. For example, if I want to change the minutes, I can click on this. If I want to change this is the date. Okay, this is the date, September 18. Okay, AM PM. Okay, now I'll change 10 to 11. Okay, yeah, exactly the time is 10:58 only. So what I'll do is again I'll set it to 10. Okay, yeah, I'll keep it to 10. Okay, 10:58. What if I want to change the minutes here? Minutes, again you need to click on this reset, so the timer comes to minutes. And now for to increment or decrement, you need to use this one. Okay, yeah, sorry, I had to quick this first. Okay, it would be somewhere like 59. Okay, fine. And it is coming in the 24-hour format, right? I can change it. Okay, this is the day. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is actually Thursday, so I have set the date also. So in this way you can actually change or set the time, date and time. I have shown you this is the day and this is the calendar date. Okay, September 18. This one also you can change. Just go to the reset. See, now the 9 is blinking, right? If I click on this, the date changes. I'm not clicking it now, but this is how you can set the time on Hala 1260 watch. Hala 1260 watch. And please do comment currently which watch you are using in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.